Hi there, this is Thomas Eugene Shuston III. Welcome back. We're on episode 3. Looks like it's saved right where we left off. What the fuck?
Work, new guy.
Thanks.
Okay.
What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
Ooh, he can go through the barriers.
Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash? How do I Phantom Dash? Ooh, circle. That was fucking cool. Look, it leaves little clone dudes. That's pretty cool. Ooh, I like how it just like fucking loaded right off the bat before I could figure out what the fuck was going on. Break the stuff. Get all the stuff. We're gonna get the stuff real quick before we go through that barrier. Nice. I can dodge now. It looks like that's the kind of pretty much a dodge button. Are they gonna give me bolts? Oh yeah. Whoa! I like the dash move. Dash move is spiffy. Ooh, what'd you give me? Gave me ammo. Where's my ammo at? Am I full on everything? No, I need a fun guy thingy. Oh yeah, I can get through the doors now, motherfuckers. What weapon do I have equipped? Where's this at? Level 4, isn't it? Jesus. I got that one's on level 4. Everything else, there's only one level 2. Everything else is level 1, man. I wonder where it tops out at. Is it level 5? Is that where it tops out at, or do you keep going? What? Where the hell am I even at? Ooh, we're heading that way. I want to go back. I want to get back to the start, guy. Oh, okay. I'll get back to the start eventually anyway. Okay. Okay, we'll get back there eventually. You told me to jump with the Phantom Dash. Oh, okay, I see. No, I just want to look at stuff.
You to talk and not me.
What? What? Ooh, yeah. Onto a panel. There we go. There's the thing I needed. Yeah! Phantom Dash! Phantom Dash! What? Ooh. It tried to get us all spiffy, man.
I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe here. Why? Who's listening? This guy? Let's just kill him. We'll just kill him, then he won't listen to us. Where are we at now? Ooh, we're getting close to something. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh, there's the ruin stuff.
Did you get a royal starship or not?
Oh, Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait,
What?
You know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
Sargasso. Sargasso, man. Now it saves. Now it's gonna save.
I'll make you a deal.
Will ya?
See that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear.
That didn't answer my question. You didn't answer my question, guy.
Get to that rooftop. I'm coming, Clank.
What's so special about the blimp? Just go up there. Okay.
Watch the rebellion.
Ooh, I got you good. What a chump. Ooh, boxes. We almost missed the boxes, man. See, it gave me stuff. I want the stuff. I want all the stuff, man. It's like the invention of lying. Never seen the invention of lying. There's a part. What would you do if you could do anything? I'd get the money. I'd get all the money. What the fuck? Is this thing moving? Or is it just if I get close enough it comes down? Okay, it's based on off distance. Okay. I was like, I'm going to jump and it's going to move on me. And then I'll fall down and die, man. I know the button, guy. Tries cool. Break the shit. Break it. It's a new record, huh? Doodle-doo-doo-doo. It doodle-doo-doo to me. Where are we at here? Am I supposed to go this way? Looks like there's two ways I can go. I'm confused. What? Don't hurt me. Clowns. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we're rocking now, man. I'm a bad motherfucker. Woo, clowns. Clowns keep getting in my way. See, there was that way. That would have taken me down onto this platform right here if I went on the wall like I was supposed to. Oh, and look, there was stuff over here. Ooh, health. Am I full health? I'm full health now, man. I like being full health. Cool. Now we go on the bouncy. We went on the bouncy. What? Fuck you, guy. I should probably be using the gun, though, because that fills up your experience, doesn't it? Yeah, I fucked up. Woo! I didn't even see that hooky thing. I just hoped there was one around somewhere. I was like, oh, shit. I just randomly, there better be something over there. I'm fucked, man. Was it the traffic light? Is that what I'm... No, I don't know where it came from, man. There it is.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that uranium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Shit, yeah. I'll do that. I want to upgrade. Let me break this stuff. Oh.
Hey, darling, you will want the upgrades I have got for you.
Yeah.
No, it is quality when you buy from Miss Circle.
Press R1 to switch to the upgrade tab. Ooh. Buy weapon upgrades to improve your maximum ammo, fire rate, and much more. Oh, that is tight. Me likey. Press X to select tutorial to learn how to upgrade weapons. What? To highlight the upgrade. Well, yeah. Increase max ammo. Oh, it's all like a little wheel. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want that. God damn it.
You are getting it.
Gold cell clusters contain special upgrades. Purchase all upgrades connected to the gold cell cluster to unlock them.
Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you got the raritanium.
What? I don't... No. I don't want to do that. God damn it. What am I even upgrading? What weapon am I on? Shots go further. Ooh, I increased my max range. That's fucking cool. That's all that's all there is to it. Upgrade one of your own weapons. What? I wasted that shit and it wasn't even on my own weapon?
Good weapon, when you can make it magnificent.
What was it I upgraded? Made me waste shit on stuff that wasn't even mine. What do I want here? What should we upgrade? Let's upgrade this guy, man, because he should be stronger and he's fucking weak. Attacks enemies and potentially distracts them. Well, yeah, that's already what it did. Mr. Fungi fires faster. Faster. That's it? That's all there is? Oh, okay. How many times Mr. Fungi can fire? Whichever enemy Mr. Fungi targets becomes more likely to target him back. There we go.
Always worth the cost to keep your weapons.
That concludes the tutorial visit.
I knew teaching you this would
Ooh.
be easy.
Oh, holy shit. It looks like this is a big old fucking... Holy shit, dude. It's a giant fucking wheel, man. Whichever enemy becomes more likely to target him. Yep, we want that. There we go. Now he's going to be an actual distraction like I wanted. There we go. We're going to upgrade this fucking gun. We're going to upgrade Mr. Fungi. Oh, yeah. It's a bad son of a bitch now, man.
Upgrades ready.
Oh, I can't go any further. Do we need the burst pistol? Not really. It's already level 4. Should I waste it on that or should I go for the enforcer? That's on level 4, so it probably doesn't really need more power. That's my go-to gun. So we'll upgrade this like a little bit, but we won't waste a bunch on it. Increase ammo from crates by 50. Well, yeah, but I need to increase my actual magazine size. How much I can actually carry. Hits to the head do bonus damage. Increase max ammo. There we go. That's what we need. Increase rate of fire in rapid fire mode. Okay. Rapid fire shots are more accurate. Yes! That's what I want. I want accuracy. Ooh, yeah, dude. This is the, What are these? What do these do? Shots travel faster. Ammo. This is the accuracy. Increase max ammo. Okay, I want the accuracy shit. I'm confused about this though. Why are these in this little thing? Ah, I need everything around it. Let's try it. Let's try getting this one. There we go. Okay. That's good. We're going to go with that. Maybe these are already done. Why are you locked? Why can't I open that? I don't know. Maybe that has to have already been purchased or something. I don't know. I don't know what your deal is, guy, but we're going to go power this thing up a lot. What do you do? Shots go further. Yes! Yes, please. Increase area of effect. Shots pierce anything in their path. I want distance. I need to increase the range, man. There we go. Oh yeah, I like that. Area of effect. Let's pick up more ammo. What do you do? Increase max ammo, increase max ammo. Oh yeah, so I just need that one. I'm one shy, damn it. What's the range on it now, man? Holy shit. Crate ammo's like all the way max the fuck up, dude.
Make sure to tell
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
good luck up there. And me, Zircon.
Now my shit's not completely worthless, man. It doesn't tell me what it does. Where's my weapons? It's not giving me the stats. Remap weapon, rotate. No, I want to look at the stats, man. That's dumb. I can't look at the stats outside of the shop. How lame. Oh, wait.
Need a beam that will not
Whoa.
quit? Check out the Negatron Collider to tear through whatever you put in front of it.
5,000? Ooh. I like the sound of that thing.
Looks like you got enough of the...
Legends tell of a weapon that contains energy so powerful, a beam of it will obliterate enemies with the mere press of a button. And it is called the Negatron Collider.
Okay.
Obliterate your enemies in a row, or sweep your collider through the crowd. The energy to blast away evil.
It's a giant laser cannon, man. I like that. I want that. 5,000? I wonder if I can purchase, like... Too bad I can't just buy upgrade shit, dude. What the hell?
That one is coming real soon, hon.
Oh, it won't tell me what it does. There we go.
Thanks for shopping, cutie pie. Let Miss Zircon make you a deal.
Damn, dude. I could buy that now if I wanted to. I don't want to because you look like you suck. Okay. So, we want that up, down, right, left. Okay, wait, hold on. I want that to be the left one. There we go. Okay, I can see. Okay, it's over there on the left. Okay, I see where they're popping up at now. Up, down. Okay, cool. Cool. Will it give me its stats though? Damn it, I want the stats. Where does it show me the stats? I upgraded them. Does it show me the upgraded stats? Like this thing, it's supposed to have more range now. No, the Enforcer's supposed to have more range now. It says it's only got 2. But I upped the range. Like, where's Mr. Fungi? Duration, range. I don't think that shows the upgrades. That shows the unupgraded version of them. That's dumb. That's way dumb, man. I don't like that. I really wish I could save my game whenever I want. That's kind of bothersome. Why have I not searched that little circle area there? Wait, there's stuff down there. Go back down.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious' propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
The Nefarious Day Spa, man. Oh, I can't go back down? Lame. Where's Mr. Fungi? Whoa, shit!
Nothing like total robot domination right here today.
Ooh, it's a run-along thing. They're not doing nothing to me. So, shit.
This is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of the truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance is the growing collective of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
Oh yeah. Are we done? You clown. Oh shit! There we go. Yeah, rip them apart, man. Get them! Not unless we're doing it to you. What the hell are you doing, lady? Why are you up in the air? Oh yeah! Oh shit! Run away from these clowns! I'm stuck! Whoa! What the shit? Oh, I fell down! Oh no! Do I have to do this all over again, man? Oh, that's sad. I don't like that. I'll search the area after I've ripped them apart, man.
Citizens of the fairness city, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth.
Is it?
And the truth is, we need to talk.
Do we?
The resistance, growing collective of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
Where's Mr. Funky? Is he gone? Nope, he's still around. Now he's gone. Run away! Whoa, shit! Where's my ammo at? Oh shit! I need a Mr. Funky. Okay. Ooh, let's go up there. What's up here? Whoa, shit! Ooh, I got more Mr. Fungies. Run away! God damn! Oh shit, dude! Run! Holy shit! This is nuts!
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Nuh-uh. Sweet, I did it.
Finally, Nefarious Tower, here I come.
No! There's bolts all over the place, guy!
Wow. Where'd you learn how to run?
I didn't get to pick up all the bolts!
Alright, deal's the deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get into the Emperor's private
Glitch.
tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside. Huh?
Oh! You got them good, clown!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
Pick up all the stuff, man. Oh, there was a bouncy right there. I didn't need the tear. There was a bouncy. I hope those bolts don't disappear, man. Get all the bolts.
Did Phantom think this bolt pipe will help me get back to the bazaar?
Well, yeah. But we're picking up all the bolts first, man. Ooh, I'm full health, man. My ammo's got to be all fucking low, though. I gotta be way low on ammo, man. I know I ran out of the shotgun shit. The Devastator thing. Man, I'm glad I upgraded that Mr. Fungi guy. He was really useful, dude. Oh, that's sad. It won't let me go back down. Is that it? Did I pick up all the bolt shit? Goddamn, dude. I can't remember what type of ammo that is, but apparently I've got all of it. Where am I at with the blaster? That's the blaster, okay. I got 2 out of my 3 of my Mr. Fungi guys. Oh, shit. I only got 1 more of those. I'm down to 9 of those. Well, hey, that should have at least leveled up my weapons, right? Yeah, that went up to 3. That went up to 2. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm leveling some shit up, man. What are you? Ooh, that's the cannon thing. Oh no, it's the enforcer. Okay. Well, okay, that's actually better. I like that enforcer better. I was just using the cannon to try to level it up. And I ran out of the enforcer bullets, so I needed something. Did I get all the bolts? All the bolts picked up now? It looks like they are. Okay. It looks like we got everything we can pick up. Ooh, there's that rail I was talking about earlier in that last episode.
Alright, all I gotta do now, this is fast, is head to the statue, use...
Perform 5 trick jumps on a guardrail. Ooh.
Get a starship and then find Clank on Sargasso.
That's it, that's all I gotta do.
I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Woohoo! Health collected, man. Yeah, where's the shop? There we go.
Well done, sugar.
Yes! Give me shit. I need all my ammo filled back up. Alright, I can go get this thing now. Now we can go through the little shield. What the hell? Okay. Don't lie to me. Oh, yeah. Oh, that lets me upgrade this shit, too. I can go upgrade shit. Oh, shit. I saw that right as I swung. I was like, oh, fuck. See, I need to get back over to there. And that guy was the guy up. Okay. We'll go to the store first. Where's the store? No, I wanted that.
That one is so hot right now.
Wait, is there more shit?
Now, where's that statue again?
Oh no shit! It unlocked a whole bunch of new shit for me all of a sudden. Ooh, I need 2 more now.
You will be missed, sweet thing.
Okay. What? Now, is this the guy I already got, or is this a guy I need? Because I remember I need to get the wall jumpy thing to get to that, so I'm gonna assume I need that still. Ooh, walk up the wall, man. I think it's this way. I think. Ooh, the bolts are back, man. I can get the bolts all over again. The Emperor thanks you for your unwavering devotion. Like I had a choice? Okay. Well, I came over here. Where is he? Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Are you going to give me bolts all over again? Nice. Give me the bolts. Climb, climb, climb. They're going to attack me again? Nope. Sweet. Looks like I've pretty much cleared the area of all the enemies. That day spot was a bitch, dude. Holy shit. It's a good thing Mr. Fungi was distracting everyone, man. This is the weird bullshit where I gotta do this and then get up there. Nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Where's this clown at? I hope it's not the same spy bot and he just stayed on the map. That'd be really dumb. Oh, blue. Oh. Damn it. There's health stuff. I bet you I'm full health already. Yep. Break the boxes, man. Ooh. My ammo's all full, man. You can't give me more ammo. Okay, I can't break the trash can for some reason. Where's the bot? There he is. Question is, how do I get up? Oh, there's a... Holy shit, dude. Was this here the whole time? I could have gone up here at any time, man. I can't believe I skipped this guy this whole time, dude. It was a bolt, not a fucking robot. Ooh, wait, that lets me change shit. What's this one do? Bolt replacement. Replaces bolt pickups with different objects. Wait, what? Why would I pick up something besides bolts? That's kind of the whole point of the whole point of the game. Coins, orbs, rubies, overcharge. So it starts with that right one over there. Yeah, I don't want to be Mario or Sonic or anything. I want it to be Ratchet and Clank. No, we're not going to use that one. We're not using that one. We'll go grab this though. Burp. Oh yeah. Huh. Run! This is the one where I needed, yeah, I needed the wall jump thingy, because fuck me, that's why. God damn, you have to move with it or some shit. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, it's gonna give me a bunch of ruined shit too. Oh yeah. Okay. Where's... Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I was going for. Okay, now I can go back and get out of here. And then I gotta go over to here. Oh, I can't. Okay. I can't mark just a random location. It's got to be actually on an actual object. Okay, we can leave now. Where am I at on bolts? 4,000. I'm at 4,000 bolts already, man, and I got every weapon but that crappy grenade thing, man. Oh, you can't shadow dodge twice, man. What the fuck? He got like stuck, dude. He got stuck in that little spot right there. Holy shit, man. That was lame. Doodaloo. 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 Oh, yeah. Let's go upgrade Mr. Fungi again. Where was she at? There she is. Ooh, yeah. I've got stuff for upgrades, lady.
Thanks for choosing Miss Zircons.
Oh, yeah.
Pack a punch.
When Mr. Fungi leaves, he emits a toxic cloud in the area. Sweet. It did that 4 times, man. Dude, I'm all maxed out, dude. I've maxed him out again.
Enhancements incoming.
Okay. Where is he? Yup, he's all maxed out again. Damn, dude, I'm like halfway done with him. Shots fierce. Shots pierce anything in their path. Sweet. Increase area of effect. No, I want to increase the range. Which one was the range? Shots go further. There we go. What's this do? Shots inflict damage over time. That's fucking cool. Oh, I'm out of stuff though. Oh, that's sad.
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
That's sad. I don't have no more stuff, lady. You want to give me the stuff for free? I can stay. Otherwise, I gotta go. We believe in the resistance. We believe in the resistance. Oh, you gonna give me the free shit so I can help the resistance? Well, no, I'm not gonna do that. Oh. Okay, then. Oh, yeah. How much was that? 3? Sweet! Here's Mr. Spybot, or is that a bolt? I can't tell. Oh, it must be a bolt because there's only one Spybot. So yeah, okay, so it's a bolt. That's cool. What do you do, guy? Nice! I've got it all in the area, man. 3 of 25. Let's see. What do you do? Enhanced gallery? What? What do you mean enhanced gallery? Huh. Enhanced gallery. Oh, it gave me, it expanded my lore shit. Oh, okay. Huh. Okay, well that's all right. I'll go read that when I'm not recording because I don't want to waste people's time with that. Do I have any more armor? No. I've got it all in the area, man. I got it all. There's no more ruined stuff, nothing, man. Sweet. Sweet. Ugh. More bolts. Damn, dude. I've got a hell of a lot of bolts, man. How do I get back? Okay, how do I get back, guy? I want to go home now, man. Do I jump over there? Oh, here we go. Okay. I can just jump down here. There we go. Now where am I at now? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. I know where I'm at now. Oh, am I full on ammo and everything? Oh, I better talk to her and refill my health. Before I go to the end of the level, there's got to be a boss there or something. Help me, lady.
You know good merchandise when you see it.
Okay, my ammo's full, but what about my health? You're not going to let me refill my health? You suck. Says I'm at 20 of 30, man. What the hell, lady? They're gonna attack me, aren't they? They're gonna swarm me, man.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
You dare defy the Flasher?
Get him, Mr. Fungi! Oh shit! Whoa! What the fuck, man? Hey! I was doing something, guy.
You have survived the journey. Now die.
You have survived the journey. Now die.
Resistance is not permanent.
What the hell, man?
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
Oh shit! These little guys are pissing me off, dude. Oh, I'm out of fucking bullets. Oh, I got you good, clown.
Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Nice! That was easy enough. Anything level up? Oh, yeah. Okay, but what's the levels? Level 2, level 3, level 4. Oh, I would have thought Mr. Oh, shit. I saw it just as I swung. I would have thought Mr. Fungi would have at least leveled it. Didn't I get the ruined stuff? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll come back to the access console, man. I want to go get the upgrades. Oh, yeah. I collected health? How'd I collect health? I just ran across the damn thing, man. Are you going to re-heal my health now, lady?
Let this zircon make you a deal.
Oh, yeah. No, she doesn't do the health thing.
Maybe I should check out the statue.
Maybe I shouldn't. Upgrade the Enforcer. 6? Shit, yeah, dude.
Nice mod, huh?
What does this do? Shots go further, increase area effect. I want further shots, man. Where's my range at? My crate ammo is max. My ammo is max. My range is a little over half. My area of effect is way low, but that's okay. I'm looking for range, man. Increase the range, man.
To be of service.
Do not fear that sensation of cold.
Oh, we're starting to get into the good shit now, man. This game's really opening up. Where are we at? 44 minutes already? Holy shit. The only thing I'm not liking right now, and it's not the game's fault, it's that I don't know these characters and I have no idea what the story is. I really wish I had some more backstory. I guess I could read the gallery, I guess. Okay, I'm supposed to plug it into that. Let's open up all the boxes first. Health collected, man. All right. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now.
Oh, I guess you're fucked then, aren't you?
Thanks.
Watch it like sabotage him. Get him killed. What the hell?
I probably just have to delete some files, and then we'll be all set.
What the fuck? I can't do nothing. I can't jump or nothing, man. It looks like I've only got, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullets? That sucks ass, man. That's bad. I've got to make every shot count like a son of a bitch, man. Can I not walk across that? This is all fucked up, man. Oh, no. Virus nest. Oh, I gotta go destroy the virus nest. Whoa, shit, what the fuck? That's pretty neat. They okay, so they regenerate. I was worried there for a second. I was like, oh shit, am I wasting these? I like this gun way better, dude. It goes da 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 da. I'm guessing that's destroyed. Okay, so those are the virus nest. I'm not scared of you clowns. Whoa, shit, that was badass. That like wiped everything out, man. Click, 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 click. Whoa, shit, where'd you clowns come from? There we go. There we go. Nice! Okay. I like to just wipe everything the fuck out little launcher thing. That's fucking cool.
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Your most majestic majesty, huh? Oh, those ought to be good.
Destroying cannons and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only the blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Planet destroying cannon. Shit, what? You just alerted, you clown. Are you serious? Oh, I was gonna say, do I have to fight these guys right now? Do-do-do, do-do-do.
I'm coming, Clank.
Don't lie. I told you not to lie.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Nefarious.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha.
What? He just left that there? Fucking clowns. Oh, wow, man. Sargasso.
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot.
Well, yeah.
As real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Wait! Under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Mort? His name's Mort?
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh.
Must be talking about that guy's name.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Crashing? It looks like you're crashing. Ooh, I'm in a jungle.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout. But first, I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Wait. She's got the exact same weapons and everything? Well, that's dumb. I mean, I'm alright with having the exact same weapons and it. I mean, I wouldn't want to upgrade all my weapons all over again. You'd figure she'd have, like, different stuff or something, man. Everything's just carrying over, so it's not like they're two individual people. Where are we supposed to go? Way over there? Does she have the dash? Yeah, she's got everything, man. Well, they're not two different people. They're like the same fucking person, just transferring everything over, man. Did I explore that area? I did. There's... What's this over here? There's like a little island off to the side or something. It's over here. I cannot reach that. It is unreachable at the moment. Sad. Very sad. What's over here? Is that dangerous? Do I have to shoot it? Whoa, what the fuck? Dude. Ooh, there's a crystal. What the fuck? Is that stuff hurting me? No, it's like some plant, man. What the... Okay, those don't do nothing. Okay. Smashy. Well, she has a hammer instead of a wrench. I guess that's something, huh? Ooh, very different characters, man. One has a little wrench thingy, and the other one has a hammer. You know what? I am gonna change it up for her, man. We need to make something different here, man. What the? Does she have different armor? She doesn't even have different armor, man. Maybe we'll go with that one. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. What the hell? Back out. There we go. Won't make her look, stick out from Ratchet. I'm not as impressed with that. It's the only one that kind of matches. Why is your arm gold still? I just noticed that her other arm's like gold. Okay. Okay. Alright, well I guess we're going with that. At least it all matches. Okay. Where's my bolt? Okay, that's the wrench. Okay, we're gonna pick up, what do we want to pick up with her? Coins? We'll pick up rubies. With her, we'll pick up the rubies, man. There, that'll give us a little bit of difference here. Do something different, man. Alright, where are we at here? There's a little launch pad or something over there. We'll go check that out. Here's more stuff. Ooh, rubies! I got rubies. Whoa, shit! There we go. The little shotgun thing's a bad son of a bitch now, man. More rubies. I want the rubies. Give me the rubies. They're all sparkly, man. I like the sparkles. I like the sparkles, man. Where are we at? 55 minutes? Here in a bit, we'll call it. If I see a save thing in the next couple minutes, then we'll call it. Or if I don't, I guess we'll call it, and we'll go back wherever it sends us, I guess. Where are we at here? See, I want to, there's like, it looks like there's that island, but I don't know how to get to it. I can see it. I see it. It's over there. But I can't get to it. Phantom Zone. I'm in the Phantom Zone. Looks like it'd be over there. But I can't get to it that way. Oh shit. No, I wanted to jump on that rock. I was going to jump on the rock, but it didn't work out so good. At least when you die, you don't have to go through a loading screen, man. I don't know if any of my other PS5 games are like that yet. I'll have to slap them in. Ooh! I look over to the left, and there's good shit. What the hell? Am I underneath a dinosaur? Looks like I'm underneath a dinosaur. Move, guy! Oh shit, I wasted the good guy. He's not gonna move. What? Oh, I was gonna say, whoa, it did move. I can't get there. What the hell? Clowns? I'm not impressed with you, clowns. Oh, I didn't look to see if it saved my game when I got the ruination stuff. Damn it. Hammer time! My brother, he likes the hammer, man. He'd like this game.
There's a secret peak right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while.
Can I?
A lot of swamp acid between here and the Mortis gelatonium factory.
No, apparently that's swamp acid.
No issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedos, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Okay. Where are we at here? Okay, we're gonna think that saved the game, so I'm gonna.
Ratchet, can you read me?
What?
Oh dear, my communicator must be broken.
Of course.
Of course. Of course it is. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Sounds like a good spot to leave it. So thanks for tuning in. I guess we'll see you in the next episode.